Tonight is all about, you know, the late models. So it's their big night. It's called the Paradiso Insurance Late Model 50. So it's the big race for late models. So the whole night is sponsored by Paradiso Insurance. This is our 3rd year doing it. We signed for 3 more, so we're excited about that. But these are who we look to attract. They're proud patriots. They love this country. Race fans just absolutely bleed red, white, and blue. And it's kind of what I bleed. So there are kind of people, really good people. They love the community. They love the country. They honor our vets, proud people. So it kind of goes hand in hand. It's just a good night of racing, you know. And we're also able to raise some money for charity. We're a big, supporter of Phase 4 and our veterans, so that's the Wall of Honor. We print the shirts for tonight, and all the money that's donated goes to the Wall of Honor. So this is the gentleman that he runs our Phase 4. He's the president, El Presidente and El Vice Presidente. He's a veteran, obviously, and my only job is to help raise money to make sure this project gets done. And the other job we're doing is trying to get as many names as possible of people that live in our community to put them on the wall. So this is the final phase, and that's our obligation, is to serve next to the other men and women serving and protect them. It's just the greatest country in the world, and I personally believe I live in one of the greatest communities. The community is made up of incredible people. That's what makes it special. So I have no intentions of leaving. I like it too much.